Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Lift the wiper blade arm up. While holding the wiper arm, slide the blade out.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.
Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model. To put in the new blade, slide it into its housing. Put the blade back onto the windscreen. Lift up the arm of the windshield wiper. Incline the blade to 45 degrees. To remove the blade, push down on the holding tabs, then slide the blade downwards to remove it. Take the new blade. To put the new one in place, clip the blade into its housing. Reinstall the wiper. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.